Intellectual property complaints, it's very important. If you resell products on Amazon, it means you have a lot of products in your inventory, different brands, and some brands sometimes they do not want that unauthorized sellers sell their products, and they constantly monitor Amazon product they sell on Amazon, and if they see seller which is not in their list, they can file a complaint to Amazon, for example. Or Amazon decided that you sell product without approval, Amazon can ban you from selling this product. And it's not a good situation when you have inventory but you cannot sell it because you have no approval from brand owner, and Amazon just made your inventory unsellable, right? So to avoid that, it is better to analyze the Keepa graph and open a graph with which represents a quantity of sellers over time. And if you see like a lot of sellers and then you see a rapid drop to zero, it means something strange happened to this listing, and all these 80 sellers just stuck with their inventory. So it's not a good sign. And also you can use IP alert by Seller Assistant app extension, which shows all the information, all account health issues related to the product. You will see information on what kind of issues sellers have selling this product, right? Okay.
We're gonna, Oleg, include it in the description, a link to IP alert extension. It's free, by the way. And we have a video tutorial that shows how to use it. And also remind our listeners, viewers, that we have the free trial of Seller Assistant app, which can show you all these things in one comfortable place. It's used over, like, there's over, at this point, I believe 40,000 customers, maybe even more by this time.
45.
45. So it's widely used and across our communities also. So again, the link to download it for free is in the description, free trial, discount, and it's going to give you all this nice information. So yeah, Oleg. So yeah, that's the IP complaints. Obviously, again, as you've mentioned, if you see a spike, or not a spike, like a drop, sudden drop to zero sellers, like something happened, we can see that then the graph goes up a little. Maybe sellers gotten back, but then they got kicked out again, and now it's on zero. So that's important to look at that. And the Keepa graph is part of Seller Assistant app, actually. So it's really cool. Instead of paying, I guess, for Keepa, you can just invest in Seller Assistant app and you get the Keepa with it, the graph. So it's pretty cool, I think.